guys, Anthony here from XXX RC Garage, and what I've got going on here is going to be a box opening. Now these are little bitty 1/28 scale short course cars, and they're Team Associate, and they're both pretty cool. This one's the Lucas and that's the Fox one, obviously. Hopefully you can read that. Anyway, so we're going to show you what these are about. Now this one was already opened, and actually at Awesome RC Cars we ran it on the track, and that thing was actually pretty fast for what it is. And this is going to be a box opening. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so what these are, they're somewhat RC toys, but they're toys. And so this is going to be more of a toy review, RC review. You can play with these on the interior of your house. They're small enough. They got rubber tires, and so forth. And so what comes inside this, it is an RTR. What that means is it actually has batteries for the receiver, and the radio and the receiver. It's a two-wheel drive. It comes with a built-in battery. The battery is built into it, so there's no changing out batteries, and the charger's included in there. And the charger's actually going to be your radio, and it's electric powered, obviously, and it's a 24 megahertz radio. So this one here has already been opened. And let me open this up here so you can see it. And here is the little car, and of course it comes with some decals and instructions and so forth, and also little upgrades if you want to do upgrades. This is the radio. The 4 batteries go in here, and this is your charger. So what happens is when you want to charge this up, you will just turn the car around over, and you're going to plug it in like such, and the little green light comes on and it's charging. And so when the light goes out, that means it's all charged up. So you don't have to plug in. You can charge this up on the way you're driving somewhere. You know, if your kids want to just have fun, they go out and have a great time. Again, these are great little cars. It does have 3 body pins. You can take the body off, but there's no need to, because you don't have to do anything to it. It's all self-contained. So then what happens is once it's charged up, you'll just unplug it from here, and then you can turn the radio on like this, and then you turn the car on like such, and as you can see, the tires moving, and this thing moves pretty quick. So, and it's a pretty cool little car. It's got a little suspension to it, and it's great for indoor fun, and it's remote control, which is awesome. And like I said, you can take this on vacation, you can run it around in your hotel, you can play around with it. It's really a cool truck. So let me turn this off here and turn the radio off and set these aside, and we'll do the box opening so you can see a true box opening on this rig. So here it is. We're going to cut the seal, I think. Wait a minute, where's the seal at? Oh, my bad. Okay, we're going to cut the seal. And so what you're going to do is when you open this up, the whole car and everything comes out at one shot. And of course there's your decal pack and your instruction manual, just like the other car. And so how it'll be in here is it's held in with a zip tie. The batteries for the radio are glued in the back, and then there's a little like bread tie twirly one thing here, and there it is. And I'm gonna leave this one in the package for now, but I just wanted to show you guys this pretty cool car, and we'll do a run video on it soon. And like I said, it's something you can actually play indoors with. But like I said, these things are pretty cool. You know, and a team associate. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, have fun with RCs. Thanks for watching this little toy review. Bye.